Hello, my lovely friends. It feels very special and a little emotional to be sitting here with you again. It's been a long time, about 8 months since I last made a video, and so much has changed in that time. As some of you may know, I had to step back for a while to heal after the very sad passing of my son. It's been the most profound and difficult journey of my life, as you can imagine, and one that's changed so many things: how I see things, how I move through the world, and how I've been creating and painting. Having lost my first son at 6 months old many years ago, and now Baruch meeting the angels at 45, it's been a devastating time. But in those months, I couldn't imagine picking up a paintbrush again. But slowly, quietly, I began to feel painting coming back to me, and something beautiful was allowing me to feel again with my painting. Losing Nathaniel in 76 started me painting in the first place, and that was, a great healer. But when I eventually sat down with my paints again, there were no expectations. Sometimes the colours were soft and gentle, and sometimes raw and messy, and all that was okay. I actually found it easier to begin with to paint with watercolours, which is where I'd begun all those years ago, and it was very comforting, although very different for me, as I usually paint with acrylics. But I like the gentleness of the watercolours. And in those moments, painting became a way to breathe again. The act of creating helped me release the emotions that felt too heavy to hold. It helped me back and certainly helps me now. And that's the beautiful thing about art. It doesn't fix what's happened, but it does hold us. It gives us a space to express and to process and to reconnect with something alive and hopeful inside. I knew I had to find a purpose again and a reason to move forward. So over time, I began to notice a quiet shift and a lightness returning. And through this mist of confusion and some new inspiration began to form, and that's grown slowly and meaningful over these last few months. And today, I'm so happy that you're here and I can finally share it with you. The Heart and Soul Art Circle. It's a new vision for your art and a creative sanctuary if you're ready to paint from your heart and soul. The circle was born out of this healing process. It's a space for creativity, reconnection, and soul nourishing art. A place where we can paint freely and share honestly and explore how creativity can gently transform our lives. This isn't just about learning techniques. It's about allowing art to guide us through emotions, to help us reconnect with our intuition, and to remind us of the joy that creativity can bring. I've included so much in the circle that I want to share with you, so you'll find all 14 of my masterclasses, a combination of over 5 years' work covering expressive art and creative techniques for every level, no matter where you are in your art journey, from colour mixing to composition and everything in between, which you can explore at your own pace and revisit anytime. And also the 2025 Artist Diary, which is filled with weekly prompts and ideas and challenges and reflections to keep your creativity flowing. And now the brand new Heart and Soul monthly lessons. And each month I'll share lessons with you, a way of painting that goes beyond technique. These lessons are designed to help you process emotions, connect with yourself, and even transform life experiences into meaningful, expressive art. You can also download it, so it's a little bit like having an ebook each month, which you can use at any time. And to make sure that everyone who feels called to join can do so, I've kept the cost to just $10 a month. So it's affordable for everyone, and really a little gift for yourself and your creative soul. You'll have access to everything, plus all the new lessons to come. But most importantly, I think the circle is about connection and community, a place where we can support one another and share our art, our stories, and those quiet in-between moments that make us human. We've all faced different challenges and loss and stress, uncertainty and change. And I truly believe that art gives us a way to reconnect and to rediscover ourselves again. The Heart and Soul Circle is my way of creating a gentle space where that can happen, a place to create, to reflect, and to simply be. And it's my dedication and gratitude to both of my sons. Baruch was always so incredibly supportive and proud of my work, and amazed how I started the courses and my YouTube channel in lockdown. And I know he's still here in his wonderful spirit, as is Nathaniel, urging me towards using and sharing my art and all its amazing creativity. So if what I've shared with you speaks to you and you're longing for a creative home that nurtures your heart and art, then I'd love you to join me in the circle. It's now open and you can find all the details in the link in the description below. So from my heart to yours, thank you for being here, for your continuous support on YouTube, and for walking this journey with me and bringing your beautiful creative spirit into the world. I hope I can see you and welcome you into the Heart and Soul Art Circle and begin this new chapter together. I hope I'll be able to get into a new rhythm with my YouTube videos and sharing this new approach to painting, but I'm pacing myself one day at a time. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so do leave me a comment and like the video. Your interaction means a real great deal to me, so many thanks and much love, and hopefully see you soon. And actually, if there's anyone that you know that's going through some different challenges, maybe you'd like to share this video with them too. So see you soon. Take care. Bye for now.